the coffee cup is gonna tell you that too.
Simone said so, so it needs to be truth. I was supposed to do a Tuesday video and it's 12 minutes past 11 on a Tuesday evening. Simone, Sam but different sister, is gonna teach us how to do
Turkish coffee. Cheers. And we're gonna try this one because that one's been pretty average. So it's 1 tablespoon per serving.
So that is 1 tablespoon of ground coffee.
It's not supposed to be, yeah. Okay, so it's not supposed to be on this, but anyway. And then like the cup that you have, so it's like proportions. So what you're gonna have is what you're making. So 1 tablespoon is per 1 glass, and then we're gonna have some water as well. I'm gonna put that off there. So I'm gonna put Sean's gonna do the Sean's gonna tell us how this tastes. That just heat is a bit too much for us right now. So we're gonna have the exact proportion. So you like things sweet? You said no, not really.
No.
But
He doesn't drink sugar
that,
in
like,
his coffee.
you're not gonna have milk and you're not gonna have anything.
He drinks black coffee.
Because I don't have any taste.
Okay, so I'm gonna put like.
But just fucking make it the way that you would
supposed
make it.
to. Okay, alright.
And then I'll just drink it and suck it the fuck up.
That's like Laddie saw.
It can be bleeped out.
So the whole point is that you're supposed to wait for it to boil. And it's just, you're supposed to keep stirring the whole time. And once it starts boiling, you take it off. So originally, this is made on hot sand. So you'll walk in the market and you'll see like sand, and they've got like pans on top of the sand, and it's so fucking delicious. Oh my god. Starts,
Got the focus there.
yeah. So once it starts boiling, then you're done. So everything you need to boil.
And then how do they strain this in Turkey? Do they...
It doesn't.
That's it. This is it.
What?
This is
Does it
it.
get fucking strained?
This is it. You're gonna wait for the whole layer to be boiled, and then that's it. So this is probably gonna be fucking amazing. So you always have the sand, and they like to read the sand. So they'll always tell you a future.
What? They're like... So what is the future say there? Looks quite murky.
So we've got a line, which means that you're focused and you've got like direction right now. Like here, it shows you didn't have direction, and now that you have direction in your life. So that's pretty much what that shows.
Just make it up because it sounded legit.
Yeah.
That's
Pretty fucking accurate.
Turkish coffee, which is really awful.
Can you dilute this vodka?
Don't you want to tell me different?
Just taste it before you put the vodka in.
It's just good. It's pretty fucking molten right now, so...
Can you just taste it before you put the vodka in?
But it's just come off the
I'm not
stove.
really gonna put the vodka in, it's just... I used to have a mom for that.
It's very strong, so I think you'll like it.
Yeah, that's... Dude, I went to... Not this Sunday, the Sunday previous, I went to a meeting, like all fucked on coffee. And last weekend I found out that the lady thought I was on cocaine.
That happens when people don't understand.
Yeah, it was quite weird because I always thought that like people fuck you out on coffee, like it was like, you know, they're like putting on a show or something.
Yeah.
But I actually, I just had so much coffee that I was twitching. I need to get this video like 32 minutes to get this video out.
I'm not a coffee reader, so
Are you
Oh, yeah.
I can just give it to me. There we go. That makes no sense.
That's about right.
Actually, it does make sense. Is that the dark time is over
Yeah, okay.
and it's more light.
Okay, I can see that.
Like 100%. When I
But
saw
it starts getting dark again, so it's like life going on.
no, it's not at all because
Oh,
that's
JK, you fucked. Like, don't even try, bro.
no, not at all. That's from what I see is
Hang on.
darkness, and it's only lightness from here. It's only good from onwards. That's it. Maybe you don't believe it, but
It sounds too optimistic.
well, look at your coffee cup. So no matter what you believe, the coffee cup is gonna tell you that dear.
Simone said so, so it needs to be truth.
I read coffee cups for a living as well. Like that's if you guys want your coffee to be read,
Then contact Simone. And Simone thinks you should comment, subscribe.
Say like, comment, subscribe.
comment and subscribe, like and like.
I'm fucking done.